popping. Oh, we've got stuff that I guarantee you guys have never seen, especially in the States and UK and that. Just to give you a sneak peek. There. Right, first off, we have Pops. Got Gomez from Adam's Family. Wednesday. This is from the old 60s, 70s years. They're old. So that. And had to get another chase for the other truck. It's 3 away already. I had to get another one. Okay, now we're into these. As you see up here, there's Hot Wheels in those clear containers. We've got more down there. One of those from out there. An orange one of these, the R3s. Got the purple one. That. Same that. Original white one. Sure how it's right best here. Look on that side. That's all ranging. That's my half of my principal. There's a lot of money there. Dollars now. Here. Got the blue Diora. So the one that's over there is an orange one. And the short card of the red one. Notice some of the different blues. That's what the worst ones are, right? This red one, but anyway. Right. As you know, I've got this one here. Dog bark. There you go. What's in there? Gas converters in Adelaide. I've got to go. This one's the one I will show you. What one? Those two. You've seen I've got 2 of these. Morgan 3s, the orange one. I've got the yellow one yet. When I was in Adelaide, picked the blue one up because someone was going to steal it. But grab that. We didn't have one in the first one. I got for the orange one. Red, get the colour right forward. Now we've got the yellow taxi, small block. showing the other one. So I'll talk about that in the next video because it's got to be a 3-part thing, series, whatever. Right, you know, I've got my own one of this. Speedo, sorry. Now I've got the green one. I've noticed there was another different colour one, I can't remember. I saw it on YouTube the other day. I don't know what colour it was. You might let me know. Ring Racer. Got the green one to this one. Fast fed ball, I got this one from the same place I got the others from, Cash Converters. Like this, add gravel. What got me, so even though it's fucking close it off the second-hand place, second-hand food and whatever, they still want top dollar for it. Look at that, $3. That's how much they are in Canada. A bit steep, but anyway. Ones I've never seen it before, so ready. Blue mailed it. White one. Again. We've got to stick around for the third video. You see these ones I'm talking about that you guys have never seen before. The red one. Morgan. Right, see I've got the white one of this. Ravager ST. See what I'm looking for the camera. Just to make sure you guys get a good view of them. Red match still, color type one, really plain. And other different colours which you need. Silverado, grey and black one. Lady Trader. Yeah, what? Got a big tub of all my Hot Wheels and that was my brother's as well. They were me. Mostly treasure hunts and stuff as well. Yeah, I'll see that one yet. And Ford Escort RS 1500. Fast and Furious. Not sure if I showed you that one yet or not, but here it is again if I had. That. I haven't changed this. Grave digger, the original one, before they know where it brings on. Truck. that's that lot. Alright. If you like that lot and you can't wait to see the third one, second one's coming up not just a short while. So like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumb like button there. It's all free. So my name's Dave.